Alright, so real quick, because we don't have a lot of time, we don't like live TV, so a shout out to all the people in via Zoom. Which camera? The camera is actually right there. So for the people in Zoom, I hope you guys are listening and paying attention. So real quick, achieving milestones is one of the things we want to talk about. Think about this, when you have a job, most of us at some point we have jobs in our life, right? When you have a job, what is your goal? You know, what do you want to do in a job? Think about this, and especially think about it in the long term. Okay? Where are you going to be over the next 3, 5, 10 years if you have a job and you keep your job? Alright? So I want to kind of challenge you. Think about this. What if you set up a goal to double or triple your income? Alright? This is America. This is the land of opportunity, right? Many people come to this country with a lot of potential. When we have potential, we have to actually use it. Okay? Tap into that. Alright? And life is about bouncing back. Life is about falling down and bouncing back. Because listen, for America, regardless, like every business, you're going to have some challenges. I see, some of the, beautiful people in our team. Martha, unbelievable work ethic. Elizabeth, your story. New York came from PA. Bertie and Angel from Massachusetts. I love you, Alexandra. Many of you have potential incredible, but you have to tap into it and understand that when you have difficulties in America, it's expected. If you're going to make a lot of money, like Ines and Eduardo are making almost, listen to this, on the way to $500,000 a year, okay? On the way to, I think we should give them a applause, right? So this is not normal. This is not normal. And she always says, and then you go from Paraguay, people don't know where Paraguay is in South America, right? Anyway, and it is possible, and the reason why we want to talk to you about this is because we want to challenge you to bounce back, okay? And if you can play that video, please, and as you play that video, watch this. But James gave you this video. Where's James? Right there. Let's play, and as you watch this, think about this. You come into America, and then, you fail the exam, you try again, right? You recruit one person, that person quits. Sometimes you talk to a client, and the client says, yes, I'll be in the Zoom call, and he doesn't show up. Okay? You get home and you're excited, and then your partner says, are you still in Prime America? Are you wasting your time? Something like that, right? And you go back to your job, and your co-workers, sometimes they make fun of you, right? But what do you have to do? You have to bounce back. Let's see if we can play that video. if we can see some people bouncing back. Then you go and take the securities exam. Anybody here preparing for the SIE? Luz, Alexander, right? And what happens if you fail the test? You have to bounce back. Alright? Then you move to regional leader. Now you're one contract away from becoming an RVP. Almost there. One contract away from becoming an RVP. And what happens? They offer you an increase. They offer you an increase in your job. Your boss, they don't want to, now? Okay, there you go. That's the video, right? So learn how to bounce back. And then you feel like, oh, I made it. I made it, right? What happened? Well, look at this video. Look at this video. So, you feel like you made it. You go all the way up to the top, right? And when you get to the top, you finally get your RVP contract, and then something happens, right? The pandemic hits. Oh boy, I get sick. Alright? You have to bounce back. Every time in life, you have to bounce back. But when you bounce back, make sure that when you fall down, you're looking up. Because if you're looking up, chances are you're going to get up again. Alright? And now you're doing more experience. Now you get to RVP. Finally, right? Finally! One more! Help me! One more. And boom! You get it done. And now when you get it done, everybody's going to say, I knew it. I knew you could do it, Veronica. I knew you were always a winner, right, Luz? I knew you could do it when you get to the top. And this is for America. Learn how to bounce back. It doesn't matter how many times you fail. It doesn't matter how many people you think quit. At the end of the day, it's all about you. You have control, and you got to learn how to bounce back. Because if you keep bouncing back, look, you just made it to the top. As I like to say, I see you, Eduardo, myself, and the RVPs. We want to see you at the top. because the bottom is too crowded, and we are Americans and we don't belong there. Okay? So thank you.